We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello all, myself Shanti Verma. Today we are going to discuss data and information with respect to management information system. Data and information both are the useful terms while developing any management information systems. Objectives of these lectures are difference between data and information, identify information need of an organization, differentiate between operational, tactical, and strategic information. Now we are going to discuss data. Data is a raw facts with which organization start processing of management information system MIS. It is unprocessed data which cannot be used for any decision making process in any business. Information, it is a processed data which is used to trigger certain actions. It is also used in the decision making process that is based on the information derived from the data. Data is a collection of raw facts and figures. Is it an element of a transaction? Any transaction facts collected which reflect about the lifestyle of a credit card of customers, points of sales or demographics and geographics are examples of data. Data comes in various forms, numbers, words, symbols or sound, etc. For example, when a customer buys a product from a retailer, time and date of transaction, transaction value, item name, quantity, and mode of payments are the examples of data. Information. Information is a collection of data which includes facts and figures that are arranged in a more meaningful manner, which helps in a decision-making process. Beside arithmetic operations, arranging of data, sorting of data, or character manipulations are also come under processing of data. Now we are going to discuss the difference between the data and information. Data is a raw facts while information is a processed data. Data has no value while information has value. Representation of data is poor as it is unprocessed while representation of information is good as and improves the entity representation. In data, knowledge cannot be obtained, but in information, the knowledge can be updated. In data, nothing is surprise and it is in raw form. In information, has some surprise value. Data can't reduce uncertainty, while information reduces uncertainty. While making decisions, data is not helpful as it has no value, but in information, information is used in decision making process. This figure shows the concept of data and information for dairy milk management, dairy milk purchase data. The data stored in a notebook is a raw data. Now, the process one shows the sum of daily purchases into cost per liter. That is information which triggers action on the payment, that is amount paid to be on milk. The process two shows the process which calculates the family budget that is expenses on milk into 100 divided by the family income. This information is useful for find out the percentage of family income spent on the milk, and it is also useful in the information for better management of the family budget. Now, this is the framework of the information system. Any information system have three types of information: strategic information, tactical information, and operational information. Strategic informations are derived for some special request. Tacticals are derived for information needs, and operationals are the transaction reports. Strategic information supports for decision making. Tactical information is supports the demands, while operations are the scheduled reports. Strategic information needed for the long time planning and directing the business in a new direction. For example, a store owner may like whether to expand his business by stocking new varieties of items, whether to work on the small amount of profit to expand sales, whether to open new branch, etc. Strategic informations are on ad hoc basis. These are unexpected and are predictive in nature. Tactical information. This type of information is needed to take the short-term decisions. For example, the information on fast and slow moving items may be used to take the decisions which item to stock more. Information on the payments of bills by customer may be used to decide appropriate credit limits. These are the examples of the tactical information. Tactical information, in tactical information, the volume of data is more than the strategic data. These information are presented in the form of summary form, comparative in nature, but not descriptive. May be unexpected and may be both internal and external to the organization. Operational information. It is used for day-to-day operations. For example, ordering the new stock. The volume of this information is more than the tactical one. These informations are internal, repetitive, not expected, detailed, and structured. There are also four types of information that is called as the saturatory information. This is the type of the information and reports which are required by law to be sent to the government. For example, profit and loss account, account of sales tax collected, etc. Hence, these are the details of the data and informations need for any management information system. If you have any query, please contact on varma.shanti@gmail.com.